real estate is more than just buying a house. Let's break down how this asset class actually works for investors. At its core, real estate refers to land and any physical structures attached to it, like homes or office buildings. The U.S. housing market is massive, representing one of the largest asset classes in the entire global economy. Investors generally look for two main paths to profit: rental income or long-term growth in the property value. You can buy property yourself or use real estate investment trusts, known as REITs, to invest through the stock market. Historically, real estate prices have climbed over time, though trends vary significantly by city and economic conditions. Remember that property is not a liquid asset, meaning it cannot be sold instantly like a stock. Check your local market trends before making decisions. Like and subscribe for more basics on how your money works.